I'm Peter Cheese, Chief Executive of the CIPD, and it genuinely gives me pleasure to be able to kick this workshop off. We've got to think differently because we've got to have organisations that reflect the communities and societies that they're part of. And that we also know that by creating much more diverse workforces and workplaces, we create innovation. Because we've all understood that if you just recruit the same people all the time, you're going to get the same damn answers. The central idea is about the human at work and linking all of these different points to that truth. And when you really get down to the essence of humanity, it is respecting and recognizing and valuing difference.
Through a series of exercises, what we encouraged those that came here today to do is to have a conversation about race. The main ideas emerging from the discussions held today was that there are a number of people who are committed to this agenda, a number of people who want to work with like-minded, like-spirited individuals to shift the narrative, to change the paradigm in order to prioritize aspects such as trust, self-awareness, humility, and working together to understand some of those microaggressions when they take place and how we can overcome them and how we can work together to make the workplace a brighter experience, a more encouraging experience, and one that is more inclusive, one that truly reflects the communities that we serve.